Hello, so today I'm basically just going to be looking for some new roads. Even though I am originally from this area, most of my biking life has been down in Perth, so I'm familiar with the roads down there, but not so much around here. And I keep going the same route, kind of getting a little bit bored of it, so I need to find something new. I had a little look on Google Maps. So there's a couple of Twisty B roads, I think, so we'll go that direction and see. This might be an unsuccessful video and I might just find boring roads, but hopefully not. Either way, it's just good to get out on the bike. Woo. Quite busy today. There you go. That's someone out on there, either CBT or a test or something, I think. Good luck. I won't distract you with a wave. Well, it's an absolutely beautiful day for it. A little bit chilly, but it's dry, so I'll take that. Jeez, that sun is absolutely just strobe lighting me in the eyes through the trees. I feel like I'm at a non-consensual rave. So my plan today was to actually go on my first group ride in the local area, but as you do on the weekends, I drank a little bit too much and overslept, so I figured I'd get out on the bike anyway. So on a old speed triple there. Alright, that says hit forest. Alright, so I'm trying to head towards a place starting with a B. Can't remember what it's actually called. No, or maybe that was the... oh, I don't know. Maybe that was the road I was supposed to take. Let's just turn left here, I guess. I'm not sure if this is the right road I was thinking of, but oh well. You know what, let's get lost. I have no idea what that place is, but let's go left. Holy shit! Fucking massive bump in the road. Oh, this is quite nice. Quite peaceful until someone comes speeding the opposite way. Oh, the little horsies. Try not to scare them. My hands are absolutely freezing. This is very nice. I picked the perfect time of day for it as well. Bomb it. See, this is what you get a lot of the time when you just go down a random road you've never heard of Obviously, it's not always going to be like this, but you do find little gems. Like, yeah, it's not the greatest road surface in some points, but looks nice. Nice little relaxing bit to ride. Rightio. Stop on the side. That road looked a little bit too spicy for this bike. Bloody hell, can't see shit. Alright. What is this? Could have actually went single file, but it's cool. Oh god, that road surface was horrible. Loogie Wind Farm, okay. Some horses around here. Whee! I guess I should probably turn right up here. Like, it feels like I'm coming back round in a circle. I'm not 100% sure. But at least the sun's behind me, kind of, well, to the side of me right now, instead of right in my face. Oh, yeah. Holy fuck, okay, I went over the lights. That didn't feel good. Alright, and I guess that's where I turned off. Just to the right there. Huh. That's not a bad little circuit, actually. Oh, a 30. I'm back in forest. Forest is a pretty place, to be honest. on a day like this. Oh, it's so funny to see that. Don't get too close to his Bentley. I've only just noticed that massive dog in the back. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Am I freaking you out? Oh no. So this corner here is where I almost crashed my 125 when I was shifting down a gear, and I held my clutch in for way too long, and I just dumped the clutch after going down a gear. And of course, as you know, if you ride bikes, that will lock up your rear wheel. Which is exactly what happened on a wet day. So my rear wheel went right out, but thankfully the bike corrected itself. Yeah, don't do that. Just don't do that. Rev matching is important, kids.